Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel dedicated to world news. We offer you the most relevant, important, and interesting information every day. New technologies, politics, culture, sports, and unexpected events. Everything is here. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell so as not to miss the most important news. Let's explore the world together. Political tensions in the U.S. are escalating again. The state of Oregon has sued the Donald Trump administration. The reason is the federal government's plan to deploy troops in the region. According to the state authorities, such a decision is unconstitutional and violates the right of local self-government. According to the governor of Oregon, the use of military forces against civilians can further undermine public trust and escalate the situation. The Trump administration, on the contrary, explains this plan as necessary to maintain order and security in the country. Representatives of the White House argue that the federal government has the right to deploy troops in any state. According to experts, this case will drag on in court and further strain relations between the branches of government in the U.S. At the same time, there is a split opinion among ordinary citizens. Some support the arrival of federal troops, while others perceive it as a threat to freedom. Thus, the dispute between Oregon and the federal authorities shows how complex the political situation in the U.S. is.